I always feel the need to say good morning, even when it's not morning. It's currently 4 p.m. Today, I thought it would be a very fun video to do like a night routine, but kind of like sleepover version. So I'm gonna show you what a sleepover with my friends night routine is kind of like. So right now it's 4 o'clock. The plan is I'm going to get my apartment all ready. I don't like when my friends come into a dirty apartment. It's just like, oh, like it's always clean, so it has to be clean. So I'm gonna clean that stuff up and just get everything sorted. And after that, I am getting picked up to go to a patio with them because that is literally all we do. So I have an hour and a half. I'm going to recurl my hair because all day I have been getting content and I'm sweating also. So I have to maybe not sweat, maybe stop perspiring a little bit. But anyways, if you're excited for this video or if you think that you may like it, then give it a thumbs up. I never ask for thumbs up, which is so weird. I think the first thing is I'm going to turn on some Gossip Girl and clean up my apartment. So let's get right on into this cute little night routine. On my Sweet Vanilla perfume. It is the Sweet Vanilla Taj Mahal perfume. Best perfume ever. Smells like vanilla. Doesn't smell like a perfume smell, but it is also very strong because it is made with essential oils and no chemicals. So it really just is like a nice, sweet, not perfumey vanilla scent, which I love. I really have to get going. Like I have no business putting on perfume right now, but priorities time.
Hey. Okay guys, so when I was packing, I didn't have a lot of time, so I grabbed one sweater, one pair of pants, and a t-shirt. I almost put it in a grocery bag.
Just rear-ended them.
Oh my god, what? You just rear-ended the car?
Awkward. Yeah.
Oh my god, now I can title this Witnessing a Car Crash. Okay, so Abby thought she was a Sadie nader.
Because I've known her since she started a YouTube channel. But like 2 months ago, I was watching one of her videos and the button under still said subscribe. So I realized I just subscribed to her channel 2 months ago.
I've had it for
the drugstore mascara tutorial. Like
5 years she hasn't been subscribed to my channel.
The one video that I really enjoyed was the one about money.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, like I was like, wow. I don't learn from school. I learn from Sadie.
No, that's what we should be learning in school.
Yeah, I know.
Like how to manage money. So basically we're at this restaurant called Sarah. I'm gonna do a little OOTD. This top is from Garage. This skirt is from Princess Polly. My shoes are like Air Forces, but they were done by Cuz Kicks, but then he changed his like name and he gave his business to someone else. So this is really important to the story. Okay, so they got little bagels.
I already ate it.
Whatever.
Like everything but a bagel.
And since I can't have gluten, they gave me a little cucumber, which is what it's filled with. This looks like bubble tea, like what's on top of it.
That was so good.
Okay, this is my salad. I got the chopped salad. It looks really, really good. How was your food?
Pretty good.
25.
It's like,
It was worth the $17. Wow. You look so short.
it's like more pain. I literally cannot. This is what I do when I take photos. So you have to like go like this, and then you have to like turn slightly to the corner, and then you have to put your hips back, and then you have to like look. So it's like, someone take a photo of me. Okay, so I just met Haran, and we're at this donut shop. But yeah, thank you so much for saying hi. That is the happiest I've ever seen her in this whole entire video. A single tear rolls down.
I don't, we're filming. Anyways, hey vlog, I have allergies.
So the plan is to go back to my apartment and then go get Balzacs and then...
Oh, she's getting those Instagram pics. Pop off, pop off.
Oh my god, she's so pretty. This is why I like don't feel bad about taking Instagram photos in Toronto.
I know, because a lot of people do it. Oh, these people, I'm about to take these people. What do I do now?
Underground Dollarama.
This is so chaotic.
The cutest dog Guys, we should probably like,
Maybe we should
not
walk
walk
on
in
the
the middle of the road. Right now we're walking to Starbucks. This is where I got hugged by a random man. It was right there. I got an iced guava black tea.
I got an iced guava passion fruit refresher blended.
I got an iced peach green tea lemonade.
We're back. Me like scratching my head because I haven't washed in 3 days. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a watch party couch situation.
Let's get right into the bed.
This is what Abby's sleeping on.
That was like the cleanest sound effect I've ever heard. Where did you get this? Tell me you don't have some special meaning with it. From like not a grandma from like
It was like I'm pretty sure it's like from Home Sense.
Oh, okay.
Yar yar. Transitioning into comfy clothes. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna watch the rest of Too Hot to Handle because we keep saying that we're only gonna watch it together. I just can't, so we're gonna watch it now. So we're about to do some skincare. I don't know how Grace does this hairstyle and like actually looks good. Comment down below if you would make fun of me. I have one contact in right now and it's so hard because like I can't scratch my cornea with like your corneas. I just dropped it. Skincare time! What? It keeps the hair from getting in your
Yeah,
face.
no, you look great.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Like a Roman numeral.
A Roman numeral. That's numbers. Okay, so we're gonna use this. And we're gonna see whose is the most uneven. I usually have like a ring like around here, just super orange.
This is gonna go really well.
I wanna try it. It smells so good.
Okay, I'm just gonna provide for myself because none of you people want to help me.
Billy, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
You're like still trying to rub in my tan. I was like, I have no time to laugh. We should watch ASMR. I'll just like put on my TV and like blast it. It's like a group ASMR session. We're going to bed now.
Peace, love, and harmony. Have a great evening.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night. I'm gonna end off this video with a moth in my vacuum. And that was our little sleepover night routine. We woke up at like 9:45. We had reservations at 10:30 for brunch. And we actually did make it, but we were really late as per usual. And yeah, so subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy. And
Press that big button and press the subscribe.
make sure that you haven't been watching me for 6 years and just aren't
Turn on the
subscribed.
bell so you get all my post notice.
And love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Goodbye.